right.
I'm the one. No, you're the one that does the cutter.
Yeah, why is Steve like trying to like
You're reversing the roles.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
It's time. It's time for birthday 3D. 29 years of Andres living it. It's time to fuck him up.
The ground, indeed.
Happy birthday to the crown.
Yeah, because then you're like
I'm an adult.
Alright. You ready for any last words? Any last words, my friend? Alright.
Yeah, he's gonna do the cutter guy.
He asked for Andy.
Alright.
Exactly.
Do in the pool. Do in the pool.
Bubba Ray! Devon! Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Well then it's time. It's time. Here we go. Alright. Time for a 3D. Here we go. Oh, he fucked him! Way to go, guys. Way to go. A birthday 3D. Way to fuck up a man's life tonight. Oh, he'll never be the same. He'll never be the same, man. You're somewhat fucked. You're somewhat fucked.
What the hell? Who are you supposed to be?
I don't know who the hell that is.
Alright.
I know Leon. I know Chris. I know James.
It has been done.
How did it look?
It looked pretty good, actually.
Alright, good.
Yeah, you'll see it later. We're still recording, actually, so we're still going on.
That's cool. I figured it was. That's
right,
cool, man.
right. Cool. So you can say words like fucking asshole on here. It's totally fine. I won't censor it.
Asshole.
Fucking asshole. You fucking asshole. I can't believe you said that. Fucking asshole. Fucking A. Fucking A, homies. Fucking A. Oh my God. You want to see the video?